Hello everyone, hope you're all having a good week. Today I'm starting this sketchbook, 100 Days of Drawing by Jennifer Orkin Lewis. This book is a guided sketchbook with different subjects and suggestions on how to approach them. So it's a little bit different from the art prompt book 365 Days of Art that I'm currently working on. This one gives you a few pages to complete the same subject but prompts you to think of different ideas and different ways of completing them. So I'll show you as I go through. I just wanted to thank Dawn who suggested that I try this book. Welcome back to my channel, World Wonder Art. If you're new here, I'm rediscovering my artistic side by drawing and painting regularly again. I've been working through an art prompt book, which is really helping me, and I've just started a sketchbook with some easy ideas to get creative. So if you did want to see more, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. So I'm going to be completing 5 pages today, starting with wreaths. On these pages, I'm going to take some of the ideas in the example and incorporate this into my own drawings on the next page. I think I'm going to use just some colouring pencils on this page. I'll just use my trusty favourites. So I'm going to start off with the flowers and build them up. I think I'm going to have reddy orangey flowers, and then we'll add in some more details on the outside. So I used a few of those ideas on the example page. So the word I wanted to add was welcome to the sketchbook. I also put something surprising in the middle, or something unexpected in the wreath, which was some paw prints, just because I got a cat, so I thought I'd add that as well. There was already some line work in the book, and I wanted to just use that as a guide really and add the flowers on top. So that's that page completed now, just using those FABER CASTELL GOLDFABER pencils and a fine liner pen. Moving on to the second page, which is decorate some mugs and cups. We've got some examples here. I quite like this one, decorate the inside of the teacup. A top view works well for this. And put a message on the cup as well. So fill these mug and teacup outlines with designs of your choice. Maybe each one is themed around a place that you've lived, visited, or would like to visit. I'm going to use some NEOCOLOR 2s and fine liner. So I've chosen some daffodils for the background, and I'm going to put Borodar on the cup. I'm going to write that now, which is good morning in Welsh, and this was themed around a place that I've lived, visited, or would like to visit. So my idea for the second mug is to base this on somewhere that I've been, so that's Greece, and I'm going to decorate the cup with the Greek evil eye. This one I'm going to base around the UK and the Union Jack. I think for the last cup, we're going to decorate the inside of it. And I'm going to base it on like oranges and limes. They have orange trees in Malta, so it's just to represent the place that I visited. I might put some leaves in as well. So the third page is about doodles. So just using a black pen, draw the tools of your trade on this nice blue page. I'll just give you a few prompts here on the orange page. So pick a theme you'd like to explore different ways to draw the same thing. I might try that one. Lots of detail and less detail. That's a finished page. I like everything on here apart from that paint palette. I like the little pen nibs. They're probably my favourite. Maybe the paint as well. Make dot faces. Suggestions here on this page. So things like linear hair. See what happens if you put on a dark nose. You can put a little bit of hair down. Make a sun face. An animal face. Oh, I might do animal faces. I'm going to use a variety of things, some oil pastel, fine liner pen as well, colouring pencils. Yeah, I think a mixture of those three. Okay, I'm going to try and do some animal faces at the top. And let's use these oil pastels. animals at the top there. Just a mixture of all of the prompts there on the left. Just give them all a go on these blobs. I think my favourite's probably the last one that I did that I didn't, well, actually forgot to press record. I quite like these two. Okay, and the last page today is add a variety of details to these simple shapes to make a neighbourhood of row houses. And then we've got some ideas here on the left. Using 3 shades of the same colour. Add loose flowers up one wall. That's an idea. I'll try that one. So here are the 5 finished pages. I started off with the easiest prompts in this book just to get it going. It does move on to pages that are blank and a bit more challenging. I'll try and tackle these in different ways, so keep your eye out for those videos in the future. Please let me know what you think of this book so far. Is there anything that you would have done differently? I'd love to hear your comments. Please let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and thanks to everyone who has subscribed so far. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.